Experiencing loss is a part of life, but good things come too. Expect the unexpected and embrace it.
Use it well, my queen.
Sting them! Sting them all! Make them mine!
Each first time is an adventure. And who knows how far these adventures will lead you. You find people to whom you entrust your heart as much as they entrust theirs to you. That trust is sometimes broken, but it can always be restored. Yes, sometimes the road can be winding. You might even get lost along the way, but with the help from the right people, you'll always find your destination. Sorry, I don't know why I did that.
Are you okay?
Yes. Thank you, Luca. Oh, by the way, did you find that perfect tune you were looking for?
I think I did. Yeah. But are you sure you really want to hear it? You're still thinking of Adrian, aren't you? Bernadette!
Luca? Oh no, not those again! Tiki, we have to take shelter! Power up! Aqua Tiki, spots on! I should have known that Hawk Moth had a bigger plan all along.